Toolmaps are advanced applications designed for Android that provide users with comprehensive mapping and navigation solutions. These apps often integrate various tools for tasks such as route planning, location sharing, and geographical analysis. They leverage GPS technology to deliver accurate real-time positioning and navigation, making them useful for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and professionals. The best Toolmaps applications typically offer features like customizable map layers, offline access, and integration with other services like weather updates and traffic information. Users can mark points of interest, create and share routes, and explore detailed geographic data to enhance their navigation experience. Additionally, these applications often cater to specific needs, such as hiking, biking, or urban exploration, providing tailored maps and guides for various activities. Overall, Toolmaps enhance users' navigation and exploration capabilities, making it easier to discover new locations and plan travels efficiently.